Hi, today I'll be making sesame seed balls. Actually, these balls and the ones you always found in Cambodia have the same taste. The ball is fully coated with white sesame seeds, that's the difference. Ball shape looks more attractive. In Cambodian market, ball shape is more expensive than the regular one. The regular ones have ball shape too, but a little flattened and less sesame seeds. This is just an additional information. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Let's start with mung bean fillings. Here are half a pound or 250-gram split mung beans. Clean it well with water. Then soak it in the water for 5 hours or an overnight. One night later, it is double its size. So clean it again until the water is clear. Then stir-fry it. Add 1¼ cup or 300 milliliters water into the pan. 1¼ cup or 300 milliliters coconut milk. Stir to combine it over medium-low heat. Then add half a teaspoon salt. 4 tablespoons or 60 grams sugar. Then stir to dissolve it. When the salt and sugar dissolved, put soaked mung bean in. Frequently stir it over heat until you have less water. Be careful, it can get burnt at the bottom of the pot. So keep stirring. You can smash it while stirring. That way will save your time. It is 90% done. So add 7 ounces or 200 grams shredded coconut. Continue stirring until the water dry out and it won't stick to the pan anymore. The filling is done, so let's it cool down. Let's make the outer part. Here is 3½ cup or 400-gram glutinous flour. To make it crispy, add 1/3 cup or 50-gram rice flour. Half a cup or 100-gram sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Stir to combine the dry ingredients. Add 1 can or 400 milliliters coconut milk and mix well with the dry ingredients. Pour it little by little and knead it until it turns to a dough. If you don't like coconut milk, you can substitute with water, but with coconut milk the taste is better. It is kind of medium soft dough. When you finish the dough, cover it so it won't get dry and move to the fillings. Let's round up the mung bean filling. You can make it small or big of your choice. Next, prepare a half bowl of sesame seeds. Take a piece of dough, round it up, then flatten it. And use your fingers to make the dough thinner. If the outer part is too thick, the taste is not good. Put the filling in the middle and wrap it closely. Remove the excessive dough and round it up again. Then coat it with the sesame seeds, or you can do it later when you finish rounding up the balls. But the dough turns dry, so the sesame seeds won't stick to the dough much. If it happens, there is a technique: dip the ball in cool water, then coat it with sesame seeds. So repeat the steps until you finish the dough and mung bean fillings. Time to deep fry the balls. To save the cooking oil, let do it in the pot. Pour the cooking oil in, turn on medium heat and wait until the oil gets hot. Here is tip. There will have bubbles round up the stick when the cooking oil turns hot. Before drop it into the cooking oil, reshape it. Frequently roll it back and forth until it turns golden brown. First it will drop at the bottom of the pot. It will float in the cooking oil when it's cooked. It's puff up and floating now. As the street food vendor told me, flip it around constantly, so they will be hollow inside and crispy. It turns golden brown now. Transfer it into the strainer and drain the cooking oil out. It's very delicious. Let's see the inside. The outer part is thin and there is hollow inside. The inside is soft and chewy and the outside is crispy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea, please write it down in the comment box below. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more delicious recipe. Have a nice day to you all and see you next time. Bye.